Selling your home, you don't want more showings, you want more offers. And to stand out from the competition, and to sell faster that is, you need to avoid the hidden deal breakers that can absolutely sabotage your sale. So here are the 7 must-have items in your home so that you attract more buyers, you beat the competition, and you make more profit. So give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Number 1, outdoor living essentials. Now, in 2025, 92% of buyers, they want patios and decks for that indoor and outdoor flow. So you want to think about string lights and the fire pit and the potted plants. Why? Because this extends your space, perfect for entertaining, and it boosts the exterior appeal instantly. And data shows that homes enhanced with these outdoor things sell for 7% more. But here's the twist. You want weather-resistant seating for that year-round usable space. Does that sound exciting? Up next, the secret to clutter-free appeal that buyers just can't resist. Number 2 is ample storage solutions. Now, clutter kills deals, but organized closets and built-in cabinets and understair drawers, they all scream, I'm move-in ready. And 94% of buyers rank storage as a top priority. And this makes rooms feel much bigger and makes their lives a lot easier. So invest in modular organizers, for $100 or $300, and they'll pay with higher offers. But imagine buyers opening up the pantry and thinking, this is the perfect place for my family. Up next, a new luxury that's almost a requirement. Number 3 is the dedicated home office space. Now, flexible work, it's here to stay. Even retirees are looking for that open office space. So today, 35% of buyers won't even consider a home without that quiet workspace. Now you can set up a room or a nook area with good lighting and maybe even some built-in shelves. And this works because it appeals to so many more buyers who see this as an added bonus. And having these extra added bonuses, it can potentially speed up your home sale within weeks. Intrigued by this? Up next, we're going to explore your intelligent home to seal that deal. Number 4 is smart home integration. Now, in 2025, buyers aren't just looking for a house. They want the convenience of everything that saves some time and money. Think about it. What do you want? So if you think about the automated thermostats like Nest or security cams that can integrate into apps for remote monitoring or voice-activated light bulbs and blinds, all this kind of stuff. Why? Because according to a recent survey, homes with smart tech actually sell 20% faster because buyers, they're craving this convenience and the energy savings. Now, imagine cutting utility bills by 15%. It helps, right? So to get started, you want to consider installing a smart doorbell and a couple automated light plugs for under $200. But there is a hook. Buyers think that dated houses should sell for less money. But did you know that adding just one smart feature can actually increase offers by highlighting the up-to-date modern features of your home? It's easy to do. Up next is something even more essential that hits them in the face the minute they walk in. Number 5, it's the front door, but not straight ahead, look down. High quality personalized welcome mat. It sounds simple, right? But if it's worn out, you want to get rid of it. Some might say that just clean it up. It's going to make the porch so much cleaner. But that's an amateur hour thing, right? In my experience, a really nice doormat with branding, something like your neighborhood name, that wins points, or a simple home sweet home with neutral tones, this sets the psychological tone right at the door before they even enter your home. Now, buyers, they subconsciously feel invited into the home, and it boosts their emotional connection by 20%. And that's in a recent study on curb appeal. But here's a pro tip. You want to skip the cheap dollar store versions and invest in a little bit nicer mat because it'll make your house look more updated and weather resistant, and make sure it's sized to fit your door, at least a 30 by 18. Now, if you have room, place fresh potted flowers on either side of the door for a little pop of color there. And I've seen this happen to increase traffic even into a home as buyers drive up and they decide if they're going to even set an appointment or not when they're driving by in a neighborhood. But did you know that 78% of buyers actually decide within the first 10 seconds that they like a home or they don't? So don't let that worn out doormat kill that vibe. But wait, what if I told you the real magic happens inside when you show proof that you've taken good care of that home? This is a hack that costs you pennies but adds thousands of dollars to your offers. Number 6, the home buyer package. It's a complete set of home records, warranties, and manuals that you put together in a neat binder with appliance manuals or roof warranties or even recent upgrades or even inspections. But if you have them ready on the counter, that is a win. In my 20 years of helping sellers sell for more money and faster, I found that this kind of transparency really has cut negotiation time in half because it answers a lot of questions and buyers feel more secure. You see? Does any of this make sense? So a tip is to digitalize it too. Put a QR code linking it to a Google Drive. This may also include your energy bills to highlight how efficient your home is. And it's super important to some buyers. Now, 32% of buyers will walk away from a deal if the docs are missing or they feel like the buyer's hiding something. So put it out in the open. This builds trust super fast. Again, any of this helping so far? Just go ahead, put it in the comments. I really want to know. Number 7 is pet-friendly amenities. Now, 66% of households own pets, and features like durable flooring and mudroom station or fenced-in yards, these are game changers. And people ask for this all the time when they're looking for homes. Scratch-resistant laminates or a built-in fence that actually attracts families who see it as thoughtful and useful. And homes with these actually sell faster because the buyer envisions their furry friends thriving there. Do you have a pet? Go ahead and let me know. Because there are 7 must-haves when you're actually selling your home. Not listing it, but selling it. The outdoor essentials, storage solutions, a home office, a smart home, entry impression as soon as you hit that front door, the home buyer package, and those pet-friendly touches. So when you implement these, you're going to outperform your local competition, and you're going to appeal to the more modern buyers' lifestyles. And if you're selling soon, which one of these are you going to try first? Go ahead, drop it in the comment below. If any of this has helped, go ahead and subscribe because you're going to get more real estate gold here on this channel. Now, if you need personalized advice, go ahead and give our office a call at 843-839-9870, and let's get your home sold fast and for top dollar. Thanks for watching. Truly appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.